What's good, everybody? It's Mario, Mid-South Softwash. Man, this video today is just a thank you to everybody who has liked, commented, subscribed, man, to the channel. I meant to do a thank you for 100 video, but man, y'all turned up and now we at 200. So I want to just thank everybody, man. 200 subscribers. Man, let's continue to go up. I really appreciate you guys. Basically, this is a part 2 to the last video that I did, the commercial cleaning. I'm not going to go through all the steps because it's exactly the same. We come out, we clean up, we're going to hit it with a degreaser, let that soak in, scrub it in the spots that's necessary. Go ahead and hit it with that surface cleaner. As you saw, we did do the Dawn dish soap in the buffer tank. There we go. Simple as that, man. Like I said, it's Mario, Mid-South Softwash. This is just a thank you video, man. I appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next one.